Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be guiding you on how to use Descript AI Voice for text-to-speech and voice cloning. Before we begin, we have the link to Descript in the description below so you can get a head start right after this video. So how do you use Descript AI Voice for text-to-speech? So here is an example. So once you get onto your Descript account, you want to look for New Project. We're going to come over to New Project, click on it, and then you have two options, whether it's a video project or an audio project. But because we want to have text to speech, we're going to click on Audio Project. That would be the best option. And then right here, you get to name your creation. We're going to just say Project 1. And then of course, you have the option to upload a file. But that's not our goal. Our goal is to write AI speech, right? So we're going to click on Write AI Speech. And right here, you have a default voice, Cedric. So before you use Cedric, you can click on his name, and here you can see assign avatars to Cedric, and then you have some other names right here. So we're going to go ahead with this. You can see Cedric, and he's the only AI option in this case. You can click on the three dots, and of course you can change his name, assign an avatar, or remove from project, but we have Cedric. So let's go ahead and write some text. So here we have a simple sentence: over the mountain, under the valley, and in the waterfall. So we can click on Done Writing right here. And once you click on Done Writing, it says Generate Text-to-Speech if available. So we're going to click on Done Writing and we'll be able to get our audio right here. You can see, of course, it's currently generating AI speech. And right now, we can see something going on right here. You can see some waveforms, so let's click on Play to listen to it.
Over the mountain, under the valley, and in the waterfall.
Sounds good. So this is how you get to have text-to-speech using a Descript AI voice. Of course, you have the option to change the voice. You can click on Cedric, the name of the AI voice, and right here you get to browse stock AI speakers if that's what you want. Now, once we click on it, you can see some other options and they have a range of voices. You can see Cedric, narrator, soothing, adult, masculine. So if you'd like to listen to a female voice, you can come over to Elizabeth and click on Play.
Life is like a camera. Just focus on what's important. Capture the good times, develop from the negatives, and if things don't work out, just take another shot.
Great. So if you want to use Elizabeth, you can click on Elizabeth and it will change to Elizabeth. You can see as soon as we changed the name or the AI voice, it started regenerating another voice because we've changed it. Of course, if we go over to the beginning by moving the playhead, it's just going to follow with us. And let's listen to Elizabeth's voice.
Over the mountain, under the valley, and in the waterfall.
Great. So this is how you get to have your text to speech using Descript AI Voice. Now, what if you want to use your voice? This is another option here on Descript, and all you need to do is to go over to the voice once again and click on it. So we'll be clicking on Elizabeth, and then you can come over here, and right here you see Create New Speaker, right? So we're going to click on Create New Speaker, and we're going to give that speaker a name. So we're going to say Nathan. That's the name of the speaker we'd like to have, and we're going to click on Create Speaker. Now, in order to have this name functioning as not just a name, but also a voice, we're going to click on this button right here, which says Enable Speech Generation. So once you click on it, you'll be asking Descript to be ready to train and authorize a speaker, and that speaker will be you, because this is how you get to clone your voice. So let's say your name is Nathan, and here you get to record a statement to train your speaker and authorize Descript to use it. So of course you need to read through all of this, and then of course before reading it, you need to choose the right microphone, and then of course go ahead and click on record. You of course also have the option to choose a file. So if you have your voice recorded in another app, you can use that file by clicking on choose a file and selecting the file to add to Descript. So right away, we're going to go ahead and read through all of this. Let's click on record and begin. I want Descript to create an artificial version of my voice that I can use to create speech that sounds like me. I am training my voice by reading the following statement. Imagine a big blue ball spinning in space. That's our Earth. On it, there are tall mountains, deep oceans, and huge forests with animals. In cities, people talk, play, and work. We all have different voices. Some people speak softly, while others are loud. Every day, we'll tell stories, ask questions, and share jokes. So as you can see, we just recorded the sentence, and here you can see the summary, and of course you're going to click on submit. Before we do that, if you'd like to re-record it, you can go ahead and use this button, or of course you'd like to listen to it and decide for yourself. But we're okay with what we've done, and we're going to click on submit, and currently it's authorizing the speaker or cloning your voice. You're going to wait a few seconds or a few moments for this to happen. And as you can see, it says speaker authorized. You can now use Nathan for speech generation. So guess what? We have Nathan, and Nathan is our voice. And now it successfully generated a speech using our cloned voice. So let's listen to it. Over the mountain, under the valley, and in the waterfall. So you can see that we have our clone, and you can use any of these options. You can use the text to speech or using your voice clone to make things easy. Don't forget to check out the link to Descript in the description below so you can get a head start using Descript. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.